Buzz, buzz, bees, bees, buzz, buzz, bees. Bees, bees, buzz, buzz.
Like I need a coat.
So fashionable.
Sex appeal.
Should I put the gloves on?
Yeah, these start forest fires.
Dude.
Be careful. Ooh, ants.
Uh-oh.
You fuckers. Uninvited.
I'm sure that won't help though.
Look at all these ants. Oh my god.
Sorry.
I actually read something yesterday, someone complaining about ants, and they said put cornmeal
Oh.
because ants can't digest it, and bees can. So
Do you want me to do the smoker while you're...
that's all right. I'm like, do you want to try it? Do you want to give it a go?
Yeah, I do. Sleep.
Just a few puffs right across. Let me get closer. Let me. Good job.
Oh, there's a dead one.
Where?
Or did he faint?
Oh,
Did you see him on the
Yeah.
top?
yeah. Oh, and that one too. Sad. Thank you, Dad.
Dragon.
I got this nifty little pocket for that. All right. So what we're gonna do is look for the queen.
I can help grab it.
Ooh, I
You
can see that the comb is being built out much better. Ooh.
Two more puffs.
Just a second. No, they don't need any more smoke at the moment. Seeing good pollen baskets. Do you want to?
That's so cool.
So I can see right there is a supersedure cell. So I'm going to put this one down here. My first order of business is to find the queen. I see eggs.
Really?
I do. I don't know. I'm like, oh, look at all that pollen too.
Watch out for the
See all the
eggs.
yellow?
Oh,
If you
wow.
look in the cells there, you can see tiny little white lines. They're extremely hard to see.
We'll CSI enhance it later.
Okay.
Hi, guys.
Because they're like, it's so hard for people to see the eggs and so. Oh, and there's the queen. Do you see right there?
Yep. Her hat. Do you need a puff or anything?
Not this second.
I'm seriously buying one of these. I'm weeding it. For the house.
I'll meet that part out.
I don't know if I like. I don't know if I like this grabber. It hurts to hold, to squeeze.
Yeah, get some rubbery handles on it.
Yeah. Because I'm squeezing it like with a death grip because I don't want to drop this.
Drop it, yeah.
Okay, I'm not seeing any super. Okay, this is going to be an experiment. They taught me to do. I'm gonna tap it and I'm gonna see if they move. Look at that! Look at them scurry away.
Did you tap it?
I did. I
Oh.
tapped them, the top of them with my hands.
Oh, okay. I was like waiting for you to whack it.
No. Nope. I definitely see eggs. I think. So what they do is they lay the eggs. They get a little bit bigger, and then they go and they cap them with wax, and then the egg finishes developing covered, and then they chew themselves out. I should have numbered them, the frames, so I could have been like, those 3 supersedure cells were on frames
Oh, I see what
like
you're saying.
2. Okay. So see how they haven't built the comb on this side yet?
No.
They just started
Yep.
right over there. Fantastic.
Are those pollen-filled ones, the orangey ones?
You're seeing it from the other side. All those orange ones, yeah, are pollen. So they eat the pollen for protein. I'm not seeing any eggs on this one. Just boys back down. And on that side. Perfect. See how they're all scurrying back down?
Okay.
Okay. Lots of pollen. I'm gonna readjust it like this for the sake of my hand. Lots of goddamn pollen. I love it. I feel like an idiot because I just bought very expensive pollen patties that are on their way to help feed them.
Okay. It's not bad to have it.
Right? You can freeze them, they don't go bad.
DJ would eat him. He's vegetarian.
I'm not seeing supersedure cells. Okay, so this will be the last frame. Check. Ooh, I'm so sorry. So they might have taken down those cells themselves, which is awesome. So
they're like, oh, we don't need them.
they were. That's exactly what he said they were. Those were emergency. So this was the frame that I saw the supersedure cells on. I'll pull this one up here. See if I can see any. There's one right there. Do you see it?
Oh yeah, right under there.
Just go. And there's one right there. They tend to keep them on the same frame, which makes it really easy for me. So what I'm gonna do with this, and that's just burr comb, that's fine. I'm gonna fuck it up a bit.
There you go.
Where's the last one? It's up here. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Okay. I'm gonna keep. Just make sure I'm not seeing any more. So I counted 3 yesterday, so I might have missed them though. This is the first time I've tried tapping them to get them out of the way, which seems to be extremely successful.
I'm like, okay, we'll move.
So there's 2 ways they build queen cells, and it's the ones I just destroyed in the middle of the frame like this, and that means that they want to supersede her, meaning they thought something's wrong with the queen. But if the hive is getting too crowded, they build them hanging off at the bottom, the queen cells. So that way you can tell what the if it's too crowded or you see them?
Yep.
They're cleaning out the cells. Look at their little bums wiggling. I love it.
Wait, I want to come closer and see it.
You see, there's that guy right there. You see him wiggling.
Those are house.
So he he just came back out. That guy right there, he comes. Ah! Adorable.
So
All right.
follow the honey.
Yeah. So they keep their food above them. So they'll fill this with pollen and with honey, well, with nectar that they'll turn into honey. But right now I'm giving them so much sugar water that they're just filling those cells with sugar water, not with nectar. Okay, so I'm gonna, you guys, do you want to smoke them right here? Beautiful. I move slowly, hopefully they'll get the hint. That
little lip
space
is enough?
right
Is
there,
enough.
right there is enough.
Okay, good. They'll squeeze. Do you want my gloves?
Nope, it's fine. Actually, like, it doesn't seem like they have enough. Ooh.
Good.
Other insects are a problem. Sorry, you're not cool. Okay. Right. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna do this
Beautiful.
all day.
All right.
That was awesome.
And we're done. Look at this over. Those moving Facebook profiles.
Yep.
Yeah,
I'm
you
like,
can.
I thought I just got stung. It was a pricker.
Have
It's
you
fine.
been stung yet?
No, not yet.
That's cool.
Not yet.
Devin, the smoker. She's a natural, aka Doug
So
Benson.
Come on, fill this with pop.
All right.